everyone, and welcome back. Just leaving the farmhouse, heading down to the camper. This is going to be a short week. Today is Monday. I didn't have to go down yesterday. I need to go to work tomorrow and get the guys started and do, I'm thinking, maybe a half a day, and then I can leave them there. And this job is only going to take them two and a half days. And then I think I'm going to hook onto the camper and bring it up to the farmhouse because Melissa hasn't even seen it yet. And I can work on the hot water heater. I don't know, because it's the upcoming weekend here is 4th of July. So it'll be a 3-day weekend. Have a little bit more time on that. And I think once I get it dropped off, I think I'm going to head to the tent for just a day and a night. I need to get that yard mowed. My dad keeps sending me pictures and it looks pretty bad. I'm just getting the camper set up right now. I would have filmed a little bit more of this. But those clouds are coming this way, I think, and I think it's going to be raining not too long. Leftovers for lunch. The rain's really coming down now. It's not a very big line either. Well, all I've been doing this afternoon and tonight is editing videos. I had to watch my last farmhouse video that I finished editing yesterday, and that one looked good. So I'll try to upload that tonight, but right now, since that storm went through, there is no internet here at all, and I don't want to use up everything on my phone. And then my mom called, and I talked to her for about 40 minutes, and then Melissa had messaged me, so once I got off the phone with my mom, then Melissa called, because wondering why I hadn't messaged her back, and now Zachary is texting me and my dad, so anyway, that's all I've been doing. I'm hoping I can go to work tomorrow and get those guys going on that job, and I can turn around and grab the camper and head back up to the farmhouse but I'll have to see. And right now there's another line of storms that looks like coming. It says that there's only it wasn't very much of a chance here of getting it, but when I look out there, those clouds look pretty dark, and that's kind of the area that it came from earlier today. You can see right here, like the arrows point up and then these point over. And I mean, there's my little blue dot, so something's going to hit me. This is a couple weeks earlier. This is a... Well, I got the camper hooked up, the antenna taken down, heading up to the farmhouse. Almost there. I had somebody ask in a comment, you know, is the trailer hard to pull? And with my diesel, you don't even know what's back there. I mean, you will if you're going up a hill a little bit, but the only thing that's weird is like you're driving and you don't really know it's back there. And then if you get behind like a semi, you know how the wind changes and all of a sudden your truck will be like moving back and forth a little bit and it kind of freaks you out. But otherwise, yeah, you don't feel it back there unless you look in the rearview mirror and you can see it, then you know it's back there. Three was too many. One is just perfect. It's almost exactly level side to side now. Well, I'm that short, probably 8 feet short. That's why I brought the camper home, because I need to know if everything is going to work for how I have things hooked up. And I mean, I could move the trailer this way a little bit more, but I'm just going to stop. I have to take off right now because Melissa and I are we're going to do Buffalo Wild Wings for lunch, and I'm going to meet her there. I'm going to have to stop on my way back and get a 30 amp cord. I probably can get a 15-footer or something. I'm still going to open up the slide out and everything. I really wanted to get this plugged in so that I would have power to that refrigerator, but I'll only be gone a couple hours. We'll come back to this in a little while. I got a hot date and I'm already late. Lunch with Melissa at Buffalo Wild Wings. Then I stopped at Menards and got all they had was a 25-foot cord for the camper. So I picked that up anyway. Now I'll head back there and get that plugged in and everything should work. Those are some pretty dark looking clouds. It would have to start to rain right when I get back here. I want to get that camper plugged back in. I got stuff in the refrigerator. I'm going to have to suck it up and get out there and get wet. Okay, now that I'm soaked, she works. Just got everything cleaned up in here. When Melissa gets home from work, she'll get to see it for the first time. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Decided to do a little bit of mowing tonight. Things are still a little bit damp, but grass is getting a little bit long. Melissa got to see the camper for the first time, and she thought it was pretty nice. And by bringing it up here, I got to hook it all up, and like you saw, I needed to get an extension cord. And now I know that when I bring it up here and people stay in it, everything is ready to go. I'll be hauling this back down to the campground right after the 4th of July. But tomorrow I'm heading to the tent. I will see you guys on the next video.